Hey guys, welcome to techENT. I am Darwin.
I'm Jeevan, and this is the techENT download for the wrap-up of the Samsung Unpacked event.
Yeah, so we just saw the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event
Live from US.
and we loved it.
Yep.
We love the Note 9, and there's a few things that Samsung proved us wrong.
Yep. The first being the price of the Galaxy Note 9. They're actually cheaper than last year's Galaxy Note, if I'm not mistaken.
So last year's Galaxy Note was at about 3,999, and this year they're starting the price with 3,699. That's actually 300 ringgit cheaper, but there is a larger storage model, which is a 512 gig. There is no in between, it's just 512.
512 or 128, and the 512 is going to set you back 4,599.
Yes, so that's more expensive, but you get a larger storage and the expandability of 1 terabyte.
Yep, up to 1 terabyte of space.
SD card, if you can find the SD card anyway.
With Samsung's new SD card.
Yes, so that is the thing, right? You see the dual aperture again, of course.
Yep.
Well, variable aperture. And you get 3 colors, right? This is one of them. This is metallic copper, and that's ocean blue
and midnight black.
And pre-order starts from the 10th of August, which is
tomorrow.
Today sort of thing.
Yeah,
today 10
at
p.m.
10 p.m.
Right until 19th.
Until the 19th.
Yeah.
And it will go.
You will get the phone on the 24th. It will go until on the 24th, basically. So look out for that.
So what is in the phone? It's a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, edge-to-edge display. They didn't use the term Infinity display in the press conference.
Right, but the S Pen now has a remote functionality, so you can actually use it to take photos, slide through your photos.
The
play
presentation.
music. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Take photos of yourself. The music presentation. I don't know.
And you can do slide presentations too. They actually showed it off during the press conference itself. The other thing is screen off memo has been enhanced with color.
Yep.
So no more black and white memos, or if you like, you can do as much colors as you want. 4,000 milliamp hour battery.
That's correct. And also we've seen the DeX. Okay, now it's only using an HDMI cable, and you can connect it to any screen, and you'll just switch to DeX, and the Galaxy Note becomes a touchpad basically.
Yeah.
Right.
But you can also multitask using the Galaxy Note 9.
Yep. Or you can connect a Bluetooth keyboard as well.
Yeah.
That still works.
And you can use the phone while using DeX as well.
Yes.
And the processor is a better 10 nanometer processor, which Samsung says has 30% more performance and better power efficiency.
It's supposed to be performing better for games as well, and you get Fortnite Mobile on Android here on the Galaxy Note 9.
And
it's on beta, of course, but yeah.
Samsung users actually get early access starting yesterday night, actually today morning.
Yep.
And you get a special skin if you're using the Note 9. They call it Galaxy?
The Galaxy, yes. So other things that they've launched is Galaxy Home. It's like Google Home, but Galaxy.
It's Bixby centered. It looks like the Google Home with links.
But Bixby's improved. Okay, it's a lot more polished. Improved. It's a lot easier to use. It looks better.
It understands
it's a lot more
contextual
intuitive
information now.
Yes, linguistics has improved. And there's a new Galaxy Watch as well, so look out for that. We're actually really looking forward to it.
The Galaxy Watch seems really, really interesting. And you can charge your Note 9 and the Galaxy Watch with their wireless charger duo.
Yes, but if you already have the Gear S3, maybe you don't need to change.
Yeah.
But that's just my opinion.
We'll see when we get the watch in our hands.
Also, they're working together with Spotify now.
Yep, so you can seamlessly jump between your devices. More seamlessly than you can now with Spotify.
Yes.
So entering a room with a Samsung TV and a Samsung phone will actually cause a prompt to come up where you can automatically switch over.
Yes. Right now, and also we have to remember that they are all tuned with AKG. Even the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is AKG tuned. The speaker itself is AKG tuned, so you can expect premium. Premium audio quality, and there's eight mics on the Galaxy Home.
For far field recognition, and it has a feature called Sound Steer, which allows you to funnel the sound towards wherever you are standing.
Yes, so that is that. So that is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. Right? Samsung Unpacked 2018. And this is the techENT Download. I'm Darwin.
I'm Jeevan, and we'll catch you in the next one. Don't
Yes.
forget to like and subscribe for more from us.
Alright, see you in the next video.